Meaning of dizzying.
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 Dizzying. The term dizzying describes an overwhelming or disorienting sensation that can be caused by various factors, such as rapid movement, intense emotions, or confusing situations. The effect of this feeling can create a sense of instability, lightheadedness, and sometimes loss of balance. The intensity of the experience can vary from mild dizziness to extreme vertigo that may result in nausea, vomiting, and difficulty standing or walking. Overall, the sensation of dizziness can be disconcerting and may lead to temporary impairment of cognitive and motor functions.